Introducing the QCI-250 Torque Tester, an advanced and versatile tool designed to meet the demands of your torque measurement needs. This high-quality torque tester from Advanced Witness series combines affordability, durability, and user-friendly features to streamline your quality control processes. With a wide torque range of 25 to 250 lb in and a 3/8-inch square drive, the QCI-250 is suitable for various applications, making it a valuable asset in your toolbox. It allows you to measure torque in both clockwise (CW) and counterclockwise (CCW) directions, providing comprehensive data for your analysis. The QCI-250 offers 3 operating modes: track, peak, and first peak, allowing you to capture different torque values based on your specific requirements. Its intuitive interface features a large backlit display, making it easy to navigate and view measurement results. The tester provides serial data output, enabling you to transfer measurement data to a computer or other device for further analysis and documentation. Powered by a NIM battery or 9 VDC adapter, the QCI-250 is portable and convenient to use. Invest in the QCI-250 Torque Tester and experience precise and reliable torque measurements at an unbeatable value. Its versatility, ease of use, and robust construction make it an indispensable tool for professionals in various industries. Elevate your quality control processes with the QCI-250 and ensure accurate and consistent torque measurements.